In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to your Gmail email. This is a fun and easy way to bring your messages to life and make them more engaging. Whether you're sending a friendly note, a professional email, or just want to add a little flair, incorporating an animated GIF can really help your message stand out. To begin, ensure you have your Gmail account open and ready. Start by composing a new email. You can either click on the Compose button prominently displayed on the upper left corner of your screen, or if you're replying to a thread, just hit the Reply button and you're good to go. Next, locate where you would like to insert the GIF in your email. This can be any spot in the body of the message where you think a little animation will be effective. Perhaps you'd like to express excitement or humor, in which case, place the cursor at that precise location. Now, let's move on to selecting the perfect animated GIF. Open your web browser and go to your preferred GIF source, such as Giphy or Tenor. These platforms provide a plethora of options across various categories and emotions. Once you find a GIF that resonates with the message you're trying to convey, you'll want to download it. Right-click on the GIF and select the Save Image As option from the drop-down menu. Make sure you remember the folder where you've saved the GIF for easy retrieval later. Return to your Gmail tab. In your email draft, look for the Insert Image icon, which is represented by a small picture symbol located at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on this icon to open a dialog box. When prompted, select the option to upload an image. Here, find the GIF you just downloaded, select it, and click Open. The GIF will now appear in the body of your email. At this point, you're encouraged to adjust the position and formatting as needed. You might want to resize it or place it differently to ensure it complements your message. Once you're satisfied with the placement of your GIF, go through and proofread your email. Make sure everything reads well and that the GIF enhances your message without overshadowing your main content. When you're all set and ready to go, simply hit send and watch as your emails become more dynamic than ever before. It's a straightforward and creative way to add a personal touch and visual interest to your communication. There you have it, a simple way to jazz up your emails with animated GIFs in Gmail. Try it out and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.